Oye. Ayan, nandito po tayo sa Ichikawa Zoo at tayo po ay may cake dahil happy 11 month old na si Panskum at nandito po ating bisita si Ma'am Arlene galing ng North Carolina para lang makita si Panskum. USA. Ma'am, anong pakiramdam mo na nakita mo na si Panskum?
Happy. I'm one of Punch supporters. I like his story because his story is also a human story.
Yeah.
Kaya I'm one of Punch supporter.
Yan. Ayan mga ka-oye, nakilala ko si Ma'am dahil sa social media, dahil ako nag-vlog ng kay Panskum at nag-message siya na pupunta ng Japan dahil kay Panskum at mag-i-stay nga kay Yaya Lights home at this is it, finally. Nagkatotoo na nga, nandito na siya with her friend.
My good friend.
Hi!
Hello everyone.
Ayan.
I'm G. Lubatan from Davao City, Philippines.
Welcome to Yeye Lights Staycation.
We are here in
At
Ichikawa Zoo
To celebrating
to celebrate the 11th
month
old
Birthday
ni Panskum.
Panchkun.
Oh yeah! Tingnan niyo yung cake, guys. Tingnan yung cake. Hinel po tayo ng mga Japanese na nakakita kay Panskum. Pinicturean din nila yung video ni Panskum, yung cake. Tapos malakas nga po yung hangin dahil may bagyo, may ulan. Hinel po nila kami.
Sina. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Panchkun. Happy birthday, Panchkun.
11 months old pa lang naman si Panskum. Actually, hindi pa niya birthday. Ang birthday niya is July 26 para mag 1 year old. Kaso lang, talagang gusto lang ma-celebrate ni Ma'am Arlene at ni Ma'am G ng bonggang-bongga ang 11 months old ni Panskum. Kaya pagbigyan na natin siya. Sila. May gumagalaw ng ano yun.
Picture.
Happy birthday, Punch. I wish you a long and happy and healthy life.
Hello, good day. Today is June 26, 2026. I am here in Ichikawa Zoo.
Happy birthday. Baka mamatay
Celebrating with the 11th month birthday of Panchkun. So I am wishing him a healthy, wonderful, and happy birthday.
Okay.
Blow. Wait, whoop. Wow! Join us.
Thank you. Oh yay. Happy birthday, Panskum.
We met a new friend from California.
Yeah.
The family is here also to
Celebrate.
visit Punch
Pans.
from California.
How many days you here in Japan?
We're here till what, Tuesday? We
Oh.
got in yesterday. Short trip.
Because of Panskum?
Yeah.
Oh, see?
Same here.
We love you, Punch.
Can you blow, Mom? Only blow.
And give me the wish for Punch.
Wish
And then
for the
blow.
Panskum.
Your face here.
I'm gonna wish punch.
Yeah.
11 months.
Okay. At si Ma'am naman ay galing sa San Francisco at nakikita niya rin yung mga vlog natin. Kaya kumalat yung kay Panskum. Sabi niya, yeah, I saw your vlog. Sabi niya ganan. And then, yung party-party namin dyan, nakijoin na rin siya. Kaya sabi niya, tanggal daw ang stress niya. Kahit si Ma'am, stress reliever nila si Panskum. Ngayon, nag-join din siya na mag-blow ng cake. So, yun lang po. At eto pa, meron po akong kwento sa inyo. May nangyari kahapon. Yung updated ha. May nagpunta dito, ginamitan ng laser si Panskum. Siguro para ma-identify dahil ang daming monkey dito, hindi malaman kung nasaan si Panskum. So, ginamitan nila ng red, may ilaw na ganon. Nagkagulo yung mga tao.
Ni Panskum?
Yun ang latest na nangyari kahapon. Kahapon o noong isang araw. Ngayon, nasabi sa amin, ang higpit ngayon, sobrang higpit. May security guard talaga na talagang gumagala. Yun ulit, foreigner ulit. So, gumawa ulit noon. Talagang mga pasaway ang mga foreigner, 'di ba? imagine mo, dapat masayahan na lang sila. So, wala na silang talagang respeto sa mga Nihonjin, di ba? Kasi magugulat ang Nihonjin, di naman ganoon. Laser, gagamitan mo ng laser si Panskum. Siyempre, matatakot yung iba, magkakagulo. Ayan, tinan nyo, may nag-i-interview na naman. Yun lang kami karapatan na mag-interview dito. Ayan, at merong interview na naman dito. Yun yung mga nasa TV. Sila na lang kami karapatan na mag-interview kila Shikano-san, kila Miyakoshi. Ayan. Tayo ay hanggang dito na lang tayo. Manonood na lang kay Panskum.
Hello, good day. Today is June 26, 2026. I am here in Ichikawa Zoo.
Happy birthday. Baka mamatay
Celebrating with the 11th month birthday of Panchkun. So I am wishing him a healthy, wonderful, and happy birthday.
Okay.
Blow. Wait, whoop! Wow! Teka muna, palakasin ko muna ang...
Hawakan mo, hold it, ma'am. Si ma'am ay...
Teka muna. 1, 2, okay. Ikaw. What? Muna.
Wait.
Yeah.
Excited si ma'am eh. Wait.
Edit.
Edit ulit.
Edit.
Director.
Yung hindi kita ang wait lang. Wait. Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
Yan.
Testing na.
Happy birthday, Punch. I wish you good health, long
Kita naman yung ubi
life.
sa labi mo eh. Paano wag mo na ang ubi. Ayan. 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Punch. I wish you good health,
Yeah.
11 months.
happiness,
11 months.
and
Today.
may you have more happy
Yeah, look at
days.
you.
Yes, that's
Thank you.
why we are
Today.
having a birthday cake.
Love you.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
8,000 miles to see.
Yes, she's from... Oh, come. Join us, ma'am.
Happy birthday.
Get some chairs there.
Can you take a picture?
I take all of you. Yes,
Yeah,
Okay.
no, you join us.
I cameraman.
Yes,
No, sit with them. No, I'll take a picture.
Sige, take a picture.
No, you're in the picture. Go.
Like this, sir. Like. Oh yay. Happy birthday,
We got we met a new friend from California.
Yeah.
The family is here also to
Celebrate.
visit Punch
Punch.
from California.
How many days you here in Japan?
We're here till what, Tuesday? We
Oh.
got in yesterday. Short trip.
Because of Panskum?
yeah.
Oh, see?
Same here.
We love you, Punch.
Can you blow, mom? Only blow.
And give me the wish for
Okay.
Punch.
Wish
And then
for the
blow.
Panskum.
Come, your face here.
I'm gonna wish punch.
Yeah.
You can get it in
11
frame. I'm
months.
holding it.
Okay.
We-
11
How long have
months.
you guys been here?